Have you ever wondered why some people seem to accumulate wealth effortlessly, while others struggle paycheck to paycheck, no matter how hard they work? The truth is, becoming rich isn't about luck, inheritance, or working 100 hours a week. It's about the habits you build every single day. Wealthy people think differently when it comes to money, and more importantly, they act differently. They have a set of consistent behaviors that compound over time, just like interest in a savings account. In this video, we're going to break down 10 money habits that can literally change your financial future. These are practical, actionable habits that anyone can start today, regardless of income level. By the end, you'll have a roadmap to start building wealth in a way that is sustainable and realistic. The first habit is living below your means. This is the cornerstone of financial success. Rich people don't spend every dollar they earn. Instead, they make conscious decisions to spend less than they make and invest the difference. It doesn't mean living miserably or denying yourself completely. It's about prioritizing what truly matters and avoiding lifestyle inflation. The trap where your spending increases every time your income does. For example, if you get a raise of $500, instead of buying a new gadget or car, you could invest that $500 into a diversified fund. Over time, these small choices multiply and create substantial wealth. The second habit is budgeting, but done smartly. Wealthy individuals don't just track every penny. They use budgeting as a tool to plan their financial future. This means allocating money intentionally towards savings, investments, and personal development. A simple method is the 50-30-20 rule: 50% of your income for necessities, 30% for lifestyle, and 20% for savings and investments. The key is consistency, not perfection. Even reviewing your finances once a week can prevent overspending and ensure your money is working towards your goals. For instance, if you earn $3,000 a month, this method would automatically ensure $600 is being invested each month, which grows significantly over time. The third habit is automating savings and investments. The wealthy understand that discipline is easier when systems handle it for them. Setting up automatic transfers from your checking account into a high-yield savings account or brokerage account ensures you invest before you even see the money. This way, you're not tempted to spend what you should be saving. Automation also removes the emotional aspect of investing, which is often a major reason beginners fail. Even automating $100 or $200 a month can grow into tens of thousands of dollars over several years, thanks to compound interest. The fourth habit is avoiding high-interest debt. Debt can be one of the biggest barriers to wealth if not managed carefully. Credit cards, payday loans, and high-interest personal loans can drain your finances faster than you realize. Rich people either avoid these entirely or pay them off aggressively. Instead of treating debt as a long-term tool, they use it strategically, like mortgages or business loans, where the returns can exceed the cost of borrowing. For example, paying off a credit card with a 20% interest rate is equivalent to earning a guaranteed 20% return on your money, something almost no investment can match. The fifth habit is continuously educating themselves about money. Wealthy people treat financial education like any other professional skill. They read books, listen to podcasts, and follow credible financial news to make informed decisions. Learning about investing, tax strategies, and personal finance empowers them to make choices that others might overlook. For instance, understanding the benefits of tax-advantaged accounts, like IRAs or 401ks, can save thousands of dollars each year, compounding over decades. Education also helps them spot opportunities early, whether it's a new investment trend, a business idea, or a smarter way to manage expenses. The sixth habit is investing consistently, no matter how small the amount. Many people think you need a lot of money to start investing, but the wealthy know that consistency beats timing the market. Even small amounts, like $50 or $100 a month, add up significantly over time. This is the principle of dollar-cost averaging, investing a fixed amount regularly, which smooths out market volatility and reduces risk. For example, investing $100 per month into an index fund with an average 8% annual return could grow to over $50,000 in 20 years. The key is making investing a habit, not a sporadic event. The seventh habit is keeping an emergency fund. Wealthy individuals understand that setbacks happen, and having a cash cushion prevents small crises from derailing their long-term financial plan. An emergency fund of 3 to 6 months worth of expenses ensures that you don't need to sell investments in a downturn or go into high-interest debt during unexpected events. This fund provides peace of mind and allows you to make investment decisions rationally rather than out of necessity. Even $1,000 to start can make a significant difference and should grow as your income increases. The eighth habit is tracking net worth regularly. Rich people don't just focus on income, they measure wealth. Net worth is the difference between your assets and liabilities, and tracking it monthly or quarterly keeps you aware of your financial progress. It also highlights areas where you might be leaking money or missing opportunities. For example, seeing that your liabilities are growing faster than your assets can prompt you to cut unnecessary expenses or redirect funds into investments. This simple habit keeps financial goals tangible and measurable. The ninth habit is surrounding themselves with like-minded people. Money mindset is contagious. The wealthy spend time with people who share their financial values, which reinforces positive behaviors. This could mean joining investment clubs, attending financial seminars, or simply discussing money openly with friends who prioritize growth. Being around motivated, financially disciplined people makes it easier to stay consistent and avoid common money traps like lifestyle inflation or impulsive spending. The 10th habit is focusing on multiple streams of income. Relying on a single paycheck limits wealth potential. The rich diversify their income, whether through investments, side businesses, rental properties, or royalties. Even if one income stream fluctuates, others continue to grow and provide stability. For instance, having a small online business or freelance gig in addition to your regular job can accelerate your ability to invest and save. Over time, multiple income streams become a powerful engine for wealth accumulation, allowing you to take calculated risks without jeopardizing your lifestyle. These 10 habits: living below your means, budgeting smartly, automating savings, avoiding high-interest debt, continuously educating yourself, investing consistently, keeping an emergency fund, tracking net worth, surrounding yourself with like-minded people, and building multiple income streams are the blueprint for financial success. None of them require extraordinary talent, massive income, or luck. They require consistency, discipline, and the willingness to think long-term. If you adopt even a few of these habits today, you'll start to see meaningful changes in your financial life within months. And the long-term impact can be life-changing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Property and Profit. We break down personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies in a clear, professional, and beginner-friendly way. And if you're ready to start implementing these habits, drop a comment below on which habit you're going to focus on first. I'd love to hear your plan. Remember, wealth isn't an accident. It's the result of small, smart, consistent habits applied over time. Start today, stay disciplined, and watch your financial future transform.